Alright, Chris. Final lab, doorbell. We've got my daemon up and running. Raspberry Pi is running to boot. Looking at the specs, we've got enabled, actively running. Everything's going well. If we take a look at the doorbell, we press the center button, a picture is taken, it says ding dong for 5 seconds, it goes back to the welcome sign. This was all happening in a thread. Due to a memory bug that came up in this code, my pictures don't quite send as pictures anymore. Something is happening in my capture data function that is overriding the path name. So we get these things like these files like such. However, as we take a look, picture was saved, picture was captured, everything worked out and like happened successfully. And so that's the best we're gonna be able to come to that. I'm not entirely sure what this memory bug is. So yeah, so it does take a picture and it does do so over a thread. It shows the ding dong. And so in switching it to the other set, up, up, down, takes us to a, right now it's just a blank white screen, but this is to show that we are now in the directory state. Because of those file paths being written kind of squampus, my directory, like my viewer directory, is no longer outputting properly. And so to show that I'm in the directory, we've just got this blank screen right now, but if I press the center button, you'll see that it displays a file for 2 seconds and then it will go away. And so that works just well. Yeah, and so going back to the welcome display, we've got left. This shows that we are in the state of transition. We're just about there. So we did left, we've got right, left, right, left. It goes all the way back. And we're in the same position. So we can take a picture, ding dong, 5 seconds, and we're back to the way it was. All good.